Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable the list view in WordPress for a cleaner and more organized editing experience. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to make your site always open in list view. Perfect if you prefer a structured layout instead of the default contextual view. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the login option. This will take you to the sign-in page where you can securely access your WordPress account. You'll now see multiple login options. To make the process quick and secure, choose Continue with Google. A pop-up will appear asking which Google account you want to use. Select the one connected to your WordPress site and you'll be logged in automatically. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main WordPress dashboard. Here, look for a section called Quick Links. Inside that section, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on it to open your site editor. This is where you can customize how your website looks and functions in real time. When the editor loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon made up of 3 dots. That's your options menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of additional customization settings. From this menu, select Preferences. This section allows you to fine-tune how your WordPress editor behaves and looks. Now, scroll through the preferences until you find an option labeled Always Open List View. This is the setting that determines how your editor displays your site's content every time you log in. To make List View your default, simply toggle the switch next to Always Open List View. Once enabled, your WordPress editor will now open with a structured list of your content, blocks, and elements, giving you a clearer overview of your page layout and making it easier to manage complex designs. And that's all it takes. You've now successfully set your WordPress site to always open in list view. By keeping list view enabled, you'll enjoy a neater workspace, faster navigation, and better control over how you manage your website's content. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials, and share it with anyone looking to streamline their editing experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.